Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make Palau and Mutton Vindalu curry. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share. बोलता भी नहीं है, इसमें बोलना जरूरी होता है। डांस करो, आओ डांस करो। To make the Vindalu curry, the mutton Vindalu curry, I'm going to use masalas, that is jeera, mustard, red chilies, ginger garlic, that I'm going to grind now. Now I'll grind the ginger and garlic. I've taken 1 kilo mutton. I'm washing this mutton here. After washing the mutton, I will make the mutton Vindalu. I washed the mutton. Now, come on, let us start the recipe. Off karo. To make the Vindalu, put some mustard oil. The oil is turned hot. Put some hing. I've sliced some onions. Put this in. Put some bay leaves. And let the onion turn brown little bit. The onion is turned golden brown. Put the ginger garlic paste. Put in the jeera, black mustard and red chili paste. Put some dhania powder. Put some turmeric powder. The masalas turn brown. Now I will put in the mutton pieces. put in the salt. Mix it well. Cover it up and let the meat and the masalas fry together nicely. By the time I will get ready with the making of the palau. I have taken 1 kilo basmati rice. I will make the palau with this basmati rice. So I will measure the rice. How many bowls? One, two, three. According to this measurement, I will put the water also. I have measured 3 bowls of this, the rice. I will put 6 bowls of water for the cooking of the palau. So first of all, I will wash this and keep it aside. Now I will fry the masala with the meat nicely, and then I will put some more water because mutton takes little long to cook in the karai. I will fry the meat with the masala nicely. I have fried up the meat and the masalas quite well. Now I will add some hot water, warm water. In this water, the meat will cook tender. After this meat cooks up, I will do the next step with the meat curry. Now cover it up and let it cook. Put some refined oil. Put in the bay leaves. I have taken darchini, big elaichi, small elaichi and some cloves. This also I will put in. Put in some sliced onions. Fry the onions till golden brown. Friends, today the video is going to be a little longer, and today I am making 2 recipes and it will be very appetizing to see the recipes. The Mutton Vindalu curry and palau rice. Today is Easter Sunday, so I am making this special recipe today. Do not skip my video. Please watch the video. You all will like it. The onion is turned golden brown. Now I will put some ginger garlic paste. I will fry the ginger garlic along with the onion. Put some saffron, turmeric powder. and put in the rice now. Fry the rice well, the basmati rice, fry it nicely. Today the palau rice and the mutton vindalu will be very tasty to eat, very yummy, delicious. Put some salt. Now I will add some water. I will put 6 bowls of water, warm water, because I measured 3 bowls of rice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now I will cover the palau and let it cook. I will keep the flame little low. Now I will add some vinegar. You can see the bottle. I will put 2 spoons, 2 to 3 spoons. This will change the taste of the mutton curry, the vindalu which I am making. I will let this cook for about 2 minutes. You can see the palau is cooked up well. How nice it's looking. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Mutton vindalu also is ready. Sprinkle some coriander leaves and mix it well. Easter Sunday special palau rice and mutton vindalu curry is ready. I hope you all will like my video. Thank you for watching my video.